Okay, good evening, guys. Today I want to show us how we can navigate around our Cpanel, and this is a quick tutorial and how we can navigate around Cpanel. So I want to be brief on this. So without wasting much of our time, let's just get straight to our browser. The reason why I'm using my phone for you to see the possibilities that you can use your phone to design any kind of website. So these are my file manager. These web host. So let me just log out. So this is how you log into your Cpanel. This is how you log into your Cpanel. Oh, sorry about that. Though you put your domain name / Cpanel. These are into your Cpanel account. Okay, it's loading up. Okay, you put in Dove line. So let's log in. So this is how you log into your Cpanel. Put your name and /Cpanel, your domain name /Cpanel. So this is your email account. If you want to create your customized email, such as like for example bank, like those bank message, they do send you alerts. You see something like support@accessbank.com, stuff like that. This is where you create your email account. This is a file manager where you upload your so when you get to this place, when you go to this file, you upload your website files. You upload your website files. Okay, so this is all my website file. This is a V2 website I created for a client, so I'm going to drop the URL for us. So this is it. This is not actually the website. I just designed the website for and I uploaded it here so the person have an access to it. So I've actually launched the website though, so I was going to delete it very soon because it's going to slow this website down. So this is it. Okay, let's keep scrolling. And this is a database PHP. When you get to programming, you know all of this. These are domain, sites publisher, domains, direct zone editor, dynamic DNS, and all of this bandwidth, raw access, security, SSL, STL, and the rest of that. So all these stuff, you don't need to know this. Probably when you get to programming stages, when you have to know all of this. So these Softculous softwares, WordPress manager by Softculous, PHP packages, and the rest of that. PHP, multiple PHP manager, PHP INE editor, Softculous app installer, and the rest of that. So this briefly of how Cpanel looks like. This is what we call Cpanel. So this is the domain name, dovelinenews.com.ng. It's a blog website I designed for someone. So this is it. So the website is a 4.88 gig. That is about 5 gig, and the usage is on 700 and something MB. So you see, it's not a very big website. Anyway, the bandwidth is 1 terabyte. So this is how Cpanel looks like. So this is where you can control all your website from. This is how you can control your website from. So where is our file manager? Let me go to file manager. Okay, this is file manager. You did something here now, or I did something from here. It's gonna affect the website. These are all my website files. These are all the files. So if you should delete anything or rename everything here, it's gonna crash the website. So guys, this is what called Cpanel. This is just a quick overview of Cpanel. So when we get into programming, I'll have to explain all of those and how you can actually use it. Or when we go straight into WordPress designing, or probably want to design a blog website or a Bitcoin investment website or a school website like someone suggested, then we will know how to go about that. So give me, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and smash that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post videos like this. This is Drixtex Academy, where we'll teach you guys how you can navigate around the techie world, even if you're still new to the technology world. So in this tutorial, I might not be designing all websites at a time, but what you're gonna do for me is stick to this YouTube channel, always be supportive, and smash that notification bell so when I post videos on other websites, you will be notified by YouTube. Thank you and goodbye.